Hi, thanks for watching. First of all, we want to request you, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Your one click matters a lot for us. Old toys are often seen as an eyesore and a nuisance, but with a little creativity, they can be transformed into useful and attractive items for your home and garden. In this YouTube video, we will explore several creative ideas for repurposing old toys from small projects to more ambitious designs. There are many interesting and creative ideas to reuse and recycle old car tires and motorbike tires for household items, garden decorations, toys for kids, playgrounds, and even furniture. Your imagination and creativity can guide you to find unique ways to reuse and recycle old car tires and add an artistic touch to your outdoor decor and garden design. Old car tires work as planters for growing plants, flowers, shrubs, and decorative grasses. A single tire makes a beautiful raised bed for a small garden. Some people grow vegetables and edible herbs in old car tires, but eating these vegetables is not good for the health, as old tires pollute the soil with poisonous heavy metals. Old tires are excellent for garden decorations. Large sculptures created with used car tires are a fantastic way to add an artistic touch to outdoor living spaces. To reuse and recycle old tires for decorating streets and public places, a few stacks on top of each other tires make a convenient storage space for large garden tools. Pocket sticks or skins stacked on top of each other old tires can be used as a compost bin also. Small parts of a used car tire are an excellent material for creating garden decorations from colorful birds, snakes, and butterflies. Enrich and beautify garden designs. Half tires are handy for creating a path border or a flower bed edge. Carved and painted bright colors, the tire edges give a unique look to the garden. Old car tires are a perfect material for building beautiful, creative, and colorful sand pits or toys for kids to playgrounds. It is possible to recycle used tires for outdoor furniture and yard decorations. Hanging tires make creative shelves and original planters for decorating exterior walls, gates, posts, and fences. Wall decoration, small shelters for frogs, and hanging plants containers are just a few creative ways to reuse and recycle old car tires while saving money on outdoor decor. Tire swings are a fun addition to backyards that kids appreciate and enjoy. Tires make an excellent bike stand for bike storage and provide great material for crafts. Making garden decorations and furniture for outdoor rooms, decorative dresses, home organizers, and even shoes are fantastic ideas for recycled craft. Black color adds versatility to handmade furniture and garden decorations, offering various opportunities to reuse and recycle old car tires for outdoor home decor. A pile of used tires make a wall which looks attractive with growing plants and flowers. The wall can protect your patio or deck from the wind or decorate an ugly slope with an unusual rock garden. Old tires are perfect for decorating chicken wire fences and concrete walls, creating vertical gardens and unique garden decorations. Old tires are fabulous for beautifying outdoors. You can plant flowers in tires and in between, creating a gorgeous windbreaker that protect your outdoor living spaces. Outdoor furniture, chairs, or ottomans with soft cushions and coffee tables with a wooden or glass tops can be made of used tires. So, at the end of this video, we do hope you have enjoyed the videos and found some useful decorative ideas to implement into your home or gardens.